So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2. Let me sum up. So, my dear students, in the previous activity, we have seen activity 8 and activity 9. I sent PDF also. Okay, how the pair will be made, how the groups are made, and the different writing will be done. So activity 8, 9 and today we will see 10 and 11 are not going to ask in your third unit test. Okay, so up to 1 to 7 activity only you can do. Up to 1 to 7 activity you can do. Okay, some general question which are there in textbook, which are there in activities. Some of the fill in the blanks I have asked from the textbook. Okay, that only you can do. This activity 10 and 11 today we will see. That activity 9, 10, 11 you don't do. That is not in your unit test 3. Up to 8 activity you do. Okay, up to 8 activity you do. 9, 10, 11 activity you don't do. That is not in your unit test. Okay, now let us see activity number 10. Write a summary of King Golden Log that is about a source. Which kind of source we use in his lesson? Golden log is neutral. Okay, that neutral, it is a part of summary, that also we have studied. Then reference is the source. Then what are the references? That also we have seen. Start with the main idea of the source. That is, we can start with the main idea, with the main incident. Then it contains a few details that show how the author expressed the main idea in this golden log. Earlier also we have seen about the lesson about Tom. Okay, strong desire, wise action. In that also how the writer has explained the main idea that we have seen. Okay, this activity 10 I have sent PDF. Okay, after unit test you can complete this PDF. I will send it on when we have lesson, when we are having subject. Today I will send, but you can complete afterwards. Okay, now activity number 11. Share your summary with classmates with whom you did not share your Tom Sawyer summary. Tom Sawyer summary, if you have not sent, you have not shared with other classmate, that summary you can send with other classmate. Listen to summaries written by 5 or 6 of your classmates that you have not reviewed in the previous activity. That you can listen summaries of 5 or 6 summaries you can listen from your classmate that you have not revived in the previous activity. Which previous activity you have not seen? Listen carefully and mark the part you hear on the peer view checklist. You can make in a checklist also. You can see in previous activity 9 activity how we did like this activity. Then use the checklist to suggest ways your classmate can improve their summary. After this, how the classmates have improved by seeing the writing, because first your classmate wrote, you wrote and you shared, and some mistake you made and you improved. Now again you can make which to whom we have not made, to them you can show, and that improvement you can do. Okay, now peer views checklist. In that, here writer's name you can write, about source you have to write, neutral thing you have to write, references you can write, main idea you can write, details show how main idea expressed by the writer, how writer is expressing main idea, that also you can see. Your suggestion to help writer improve, you can write suggestion how the writer can improve his writing, that also you can see. This PDF also I have given. Okay, you can see and you can write after unit test. Be sure to share your suggestion with each writer. Take some of your peers means your classmate, suggestions to improve your own writing. You can tell them to improve and you can also improve. Find at least one way to improve your summary. One way you can write how you can improve your summary. Make the changes, then record what you did here. Some changes are also needed to make or welcome to do, okay, that you can make. Like here, I improved my summary about King Golden Locks by changing my words, by changing my incident, by changing my idea, by changing my thinking, okay, that you can make in which way you have changed. This PDF also I have given to you, you can complete. Okay, so here is the end of our lesson. Golden Locks lesson is over. Okay, here is the end of our chapter. In your third unit test, again I say, in your third unit test you will have up to activity 1 to 8. 9, 10, 11 is not in your course. Okay, and now in next period, next time when we will meet, then I will revise chapter 1 and 2. Okay, which pattern will be asked, which kind of question will be asked, which kind of words will be asked, that everything I will discuss. So you please watch that video. Activity 3 unit 3's related exercise we will discuss, I will tell you. Okay, the revision we will do. But one more thing I would like to tell, activity 9, 10, 11th of chapter 2 are not going to ask, so that you don't do. This PDF also I have sent, you can complete afterwards. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye. Best of luck. See you later on.